Problem. Okay, guys. Today's date, 6/19/2017, 9:06 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All world news here. I have the hand. Starting the outbreak in the middle. They're leaving California. They're doing exactly what I told you guys they were going to do. This isn't good. Shit. Let me bring this over. I want to match them up. Get them exact for you guys. Yeah, not good. All right. Well, Tennessee had a 1.28 99 minutes ago. 99 minutes ago, Missouri had a 2.62. 12 hours ago, 2.2, Spencer, Oklahoma. 30 minutes ago, 2.7. Tologa, Oklahoma. 2.9. Mankato, Kansas. And, guys, 2.99, Yellowstone. They're leaving California, and they're moving over. Let's see here. What do we got here? 9 hours ago, 4.6 Nicaragua. 4.6 Peru. 5.7. Oh boy. 3 hours ago. Nope, hold on. 3 hours ago, 5.7. Let's zoom in. 5.8. 5.8. 3 hours ago, Tonga. 5.7. Fiji Islands. 4.9. 5 hours ago, Tonga. These are all three to 5 hours ago, guys. You see how many are happening? They're happening in an abundance now, like I said they would. This isn't good. Let's come over here. 2 hours ago, 4.6, Guam. 4.7, 8 hours ago, Indonesia. 5.1, 8 hours ago, Floral Seas. 10 hours ago, 4.6, North Indian Ocean. 9 hours ago, 4.2, Tajikistan. And we had a 4.5 in Greece. 8 hours ago. But do you see what I'm saying, guys? This isn't good. This isn't good. I'm not liking what I'm seeing in the middle of the United States or on Yellowstone. So I've showed you that the middle of the United States was pretty well clear for quite a few months here. One or two here and there. Maybe within a week. But now, this, yeah, I'm not liking it. So I told you guys by the end of the month we'll be in New York. The earthquakes will be in New York. They're working their way over. Eventually, they're going to be all over everywhere, so it's not going to matter anymore. I told everybody. I love you guys. God bless. Amen.